This is the only thing I don't like in this room. Restaurant is my favorite.
It's very easy to find a local food restaurant, even it's in late night.
You see the time?
You have a lot of options here.
10 is the best, so I give 7.
Hi guys, I just changed a hotel and this is the one I'm staying at today because it's closer to airport. I got early flight tomorrow. I spent about
350 yuan for this hotel, which is about 50 US dollars.
So for this price, I'm not expecting anything fancy, just for quiet, convenient, and clean. So let's get inside.
This hotel is actually quite close to the airport. It only takes about 12 minutes by taxi, and the ride costs around $2. The lobby is also quite unique. You can see there are many bear brick figures displayed here, which gives the place a really interesting and creative atmosphere. Okay, let's get into the elevator. And firstly, I'll show you the laundry room and gym. The second floor, laundry room and gym and restaurant. This is a laundry room. There are 3 washing machines and 3 dryers available for guests. The good thing is you don't need to add laundry detergent yourself. The machines already have detergent prepared, so you can just put your clothes in and start the washing circle. This is the gym. The door is locked. You have to tap the room card. Okay, open now. This is the hotel gym. It's not a very large gym, but it has the basic equipment you need. There are 2 treadmills, 1 elliptical machine, and 1 spinning bike. For a quick workout during a business trip, I think it's more than enough. Okay, let's go back to my room. Alright, now let's take a look at the most important part. This is what a $50 hotel room in Shenzhen looks like. Okay, let's start with the restroom. This is a restroom, and this is a shower room. It's separate and there is a mirror, lights on, and this is a big mirror. Here, something you can use. Oh, mini bar. You can see the mini bar, soda, cola. It's free to drink. The room is not big. As I said, I like to book double bedroom because I can place my clothes and pants on the one bed and sleep the other. Okay, this is the room tour. And one thing I don't like, that is the round table. It looks pretty nice, right? Honestly, I like the design and it kind of fits the room. But for me, I think it's not very practical. Oh. Because it's a round table and there isn't much usable space. I can only put my laptop and maybe my phone here, and oh, coffee. Yeah, coffee here. Coffee's here. Yeah, look at it. And that's all. So if you want to work properly, like put my notebook and some other things, camera and documents, oh, totally not enough for a round table. This is the only thing I don't like in this room. Hi guys, look at my hair. I just got my haircut and now I'm going back to the hotel. How do you like my new haircut? And tomorrow I'm going to leave Shenzhen. So this is the last night. And I'm still full because I ate too much tonight. But I still want to eat one more local meal, the pork trotter rice. The pork trotter rice is really famous, and it's cheap, it's simple, and very local. It's very easy to find a local food restaurant, even it's in late night. You have a lot of options here. Sometimes life feels like a long journey from one place to another. We work, we travel, we answer messages, and we keep thinking about what needs to be done next. And without realizing it, we can become so focused on the destination that we forget to enjoy the small moments along the way. But life is not only made up of big achievements. Sometimes happiness is something very simple. You can be walking through a city at night, listening to music on the metro, getting a fresh haircut, or eating a meal you have been thinking about all day. These moments may not look important, but they give us the energy to keep going. I'm slowly learning that we don't always need a perfect plan or an exciting life. Sometimes it is enough to finish a long day, finding something you enjoy and give yourself a little time to breathe. Maybe that is what a good life really is. Not being happy every second, but still finding small reasons to enjoy the journey. This is a full street near to the airport, and even now it's almost 10 p.m. and the restaurants they are still open. It's easy to get food now. So let's take a look at it. And as I have mentioned, before I leave Shenzhen, I want to try last time pork Trotter rice, very local food. And here we are. This restaurant is my favorite.来个猪脚饭，老板。这里吃。And that's how my last night in Shenzhen comes to an end. Nothing dramatic happened tonight. I got a haircut, took the metro, walked through the neighborhood, and had a simple meal that I really enjoyed. But maybe that's what most of life actually looks like. Not every day needs to be exciting or unforgettable. Sometimes a good day is a simple one where you finish what you needed to do, eat something you like, and make it back to your room feeling tired but satisfied. Tomorrow, I'll pack my things and leave Shenzhen. This business trip is almost over, but there will always be another journey, another city, and another ordinary day waiting for us. For now, I'm just grateful for this quiet ending. Thanks for spending my final night in Shenzhen with me. I'll see you in the next one.